Fellow farmers. Another common problem faced by chili farmers is the yellow virus, more commonly known as the Gemini virus. Why is the Gemini virus such a dangerous threat to chili farmers? And what causes this attack? And what preventive and control measures should be taken to keep chili plants healthy, fertile, productive, and highly competitive? Let's learn everything here. Let's discuss it together and share our knowledge and experiences, fellow farmers. Hopefully, this video will be useful for many of our friends who are currently cultivating chili plants. Before we get into the full discussion, don't forget to prepare some snacks and a cup of hot coffee to inspire you, let your imagination run wild, and get lost in the spicy world of agriculture. Okay. Go ahead and take a sip, leave your straw in your cup, and look for the subscribe button, but don't forget to press the red button. Before discussing how to deal with Gemini viruses, it's important to first understand them. What are Gemini viruses? What types are there, and how are they transmitted? Gemini viruses are not fatal, but they can reduce plant yields. Have you ever experienced stunted chili plants and no fruit? That's the condition caused by Gemini viruses. Gemini viruses, or Geminiviridae, are a family of viruses with single-stranded circular DNA genomes. Based on their genome structure, insect vectors, and host plant species, Gemini viruses are divided into four genera. These four genera are Mastrovirus, Curtovirus, Topocuvirus, and Begomavirus. The Mastrovirus and Curtovirus genera are transmitted by various leafhopper species. The Topocuvirus genus is transmitted by treehoppers. And Begomavirus is transmitted by whitefly species, Bemisia tabaci. The most common type of Gemini virus in fields is the Begomavirus, which is transmitted by the insect vector, whitefly. This viral disease commonly affects cayenne peppers, chili peppers, paprika, and tomatoes. Besides whitefly transmission, Gemini viruses can also be transmitted through grafting. How to virus transmission process. Whiteflies are piercing sucking insects. They are white, small, 1 to 1.5 millimeters, and have wings covered in a powdery waxy coating. These insects are usually found on the undersides of leaves and have a life cycle of approximately 21 days. Whitefly populations increase during the dry season because whiteflies generally prefer hot weather. The relationship between whiteflies and Gemini virus is persistent. Whiteflies acquire the virus when they feed on infected plants. The virus enters the digestive tract, penetrates the intestinal wall, circulates in the whitefly's bodily fluids, and then becomes saliva. The virus persists in the insect's body for a long time and can even be passed on to the next generation through eggs. The virus is transferred to healthy plants when the whitefly feeds on them. Once the virus enters the plant, the Gemini virus replicates itself, resulting in sufficient numbers to infect the plant. The incubation period for the virus in plants until symptoms appear is only 15 to 29 days. In chili plants, symptoms of Gemini virus can include thickened leaf veins, curled leaf edges, and yellowing of the leaves. In more severe cases, the leaves become smaller and turn bright yellow, the plants become stunted, and fruit production decreases or even stops. However, these symptoms can vary depending on the chili variety, altitude, and environmental conditions. The yellowing of leaves due to Gemini virus symptoms is caused by inhibited chlorophyll formation. The decreased chlorophyll content also reduces the amount of photosynthase needed for plant growth. As a result, leaves become deformed or shriveled. Furthermore, decreased fruit production after a Gemini virus infection is caused by a lower net assimilation rate in infected plants compared to healthy plants. The assimilation rate itself is a measure of the average photosynthetic efficiency of leaves within a single plant. Gemini virus prevention can be carried out starting from the sowing process using the following methods. 1. Use healthy chili seeds. Plant virus-resistant varieties. 2. Soak seeds in a solution of PGPR, plant growth promotion rhizobacter, or PF Pseudomonas fluorescens at a dose of 20 ml per liter of water for 6 to 12 hours. 3. Cover the seed bed with gauze fine mosquito netting that allows sunlight to pass through. Meanwhile, to prevent Gemini virus in field plants, you can use the following methods. 1. Plant corn on the edge of the field 3 to 4 weeks before planting chilies. Maintain a spacing of 15 to 20 centimeters. Alternatively, you can plant other hedge plants. 2. Use plastic mulch to reduce insect infestation. 3. Water the plants with PGPR at a rate of 20 cubic centimeters per liter of water 1 week after planting, followed by 20 and 40 days after planting. Apply a minimum of 20 tons of compost per hectare. 5. Practice environmental sanitation. 6. Rotate crops with plants other than chili peppers and those that are not virus hosts. 7. Remove and destroy any infected plants to prevent further spread of the virus. Well, that concludes our review of the yellow virus or Gemini virus that attacks farmers' chili plants. So, what else should we discuss in the next video? What other knowledge do we need to share with farmers? Please share your feedback, and don't forget to finish the snacks you prepared earlier, sip your coffee, and we'll be off. Thank you very much and have a great day.